How to upload high quality video on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, all you have to do is tap on the profile of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once on your TikTok profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and some options will appear on your screen. Now, from the options, simply tap on the settings and privacy. Once inside the settings and privacy, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom unless you see report a problem option available on your screen and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, again scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see chat with us option available. Tap on it. Now here simply write down your problem, like I am writing down how to upload high quality videos on TikTok, and the TikTok bot will suggest to you some solutions for this, and all you have to do is follow those instructions. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.